Hello, hi, my name is Francesca. I'm doing a series of videos on Qigong and probably soon also on Tai Chi. In this video, I would like to explain you one exercise, only one. It's part of a series of exercises called the spinal cord breathing, and I suggest this exercise to whoever has lower back pain when it's not in the very acute inflammation side, and to really whoever wants to practice Tai Chi should know this exercise or similars. Now I start to explain first the technical part, and then we'll do it shortly as a meditation, and you can do it as a meditation whenever you want. Legs open as wide as your shoulders. Now I'll turn on the side so you can see my spine. Okay? When I'm standing up normally, my spinal cord, as yours, hopefully, has a normal curve. Ears come a little bit inside, ear come a little bit outside, and there is the neck. Okay? At the end of this exercise, when we come up, our spinal cord will be totally straight, and there will be a space in between each vertebra, and then we can relax again. We start with our legs a little bit bent. We come up with our hands. We go down to 90 degrees straight, and then we relax. It doesn't matter if you touch the ground or if you don't. Even if you are here, it's fine. Okay? For the first time, you breathe deeply into your belly and tantien, what I call tantien. This area here and here. Then, if you have not bent the knees and start to move, moving and smiling towards sacrum and coccyx, this bone here, down into the earth, visualizing your spinal cord opening, a space in between each vertebra. You let your shoulder relax, and you continue your movement. I'm here now. Continues to move up, separating each vertebra. Till you get all the way up. Spinal cord straight. There is no more curve. Then you can relax. Now I would like to show you two common errors that you could check if you have a mirror, or you could check with your hands, or you could check with a friend. Okay? Things not to do in this exercise that are very natural for most of the people to do anyway. Okay, so again, go down. This should be not such a big problem. Down. Then we start to come up. And let's say all goes well till here, and you get till this point. Most of the people at this point will do this. Meaning, they will contract the lower lumbar area this way to strengthen up the rest. Don't do this. Think at your sacrum and coccyx all the time. When the movement is finished, finish the movement of the sacrum and coccyx too. Okay? They don't stop to move till the end. Until the end. And continues to open in this part is still going into the earth. And there we go, with the spinal cord straight. And then we relax. Second very common error, again, down. Let's say we are able to move the lower part well. Don't tense your shoulders. Leave the shoulder relaxed all the time. Here we're going fine. Then we get to the neck. Most of the people think neck straight means to do this. Means chin up. It's actually exactly the opposite. Neck straight means chin down, so we can stretch the 7th vertebra of the neck. Okay? Keep in mind these two things, and this exercise will come good. Now we're going to do it with a meditation and with a breathing. Okay? When we start thinking at the spinal cord, visualizing it as much as we can. You may want to take a book and look at how it's done, a spinal cord. Okay? And then smiling to the spine. We start to breathe in into the dantian. And then all the way up. And then we go down, stretching forward. And then relax. You may want to stop a few moments here to breathe deeply. Relax the neck, that's the last things to move. Then visualize and invite the energy. Maybe a blue energy if you like the color. To fill up your spine from inside. Your spine is energy. Chi is material, become material. Invite it to rise while you're breathing in. If you, for example, get out of breath here, exhale thinking at this point, and restart to inhale from there. Smile to each vertebra and let the space for the energy. Inside and in between the vertebrae. Till the vertebrae themselves are radiating and arching. Then exhale and relax. Return to your normal spinal cord curl. And again. Inhale. Exhale, stretching forward. Relax. Smile to the earth, smile to the spine. And breathe into the spine. Invite the chi to flow up. Transform your spine into chi. This chi. Feel the blue energy, like so, water energy. Bring it up. Exhale in the spine. And rest. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for following this video. Just as itself is a beautiful, simple meditation, and it's really, really helpful for your spine, for the back, and for the Tai Chi. If you want, you can see other videos, always, like on Douyin, there is some Douyin, there is some other stuff. And if you want to contact me for explanations, feel free to do it at franci@gmail.com. FRANCY Francilabacca@gmail.com.